guys, it's Lindsay. I'm with Bisque Imports, and today I have a fun glass project for the holiday season. This is the Frit-mas Tree. So this is a really cute and easy project for your customers to do. We sell these fantastic pre-cut glass and their matching molds. So it's easy, that's already cut for you, and it's just a matter of, layering your decorations. So let's get started. Okay guys, so with this project, you do have to fire this twice. So once you have all the frit and the raw dots and the noodles laid on here, you're going to do a full fuse firing on this to melt everything together. Then you're gonna get the mold that goes along with the pre-cut, make sure that it's primed, and then you're going to put the fused piece in this, and then you're going to do a regular slump firing schedule. Our firing schedules will be posted underneath this video, and they will be along with the tech sheet as well. So this sample has some dichro glass in it, so you can kind of change up what you want the garland to be on the tree. In this sample, I decided to use noodles, which is kind of great for your walk-in customers because they can just easily snap their pieces, and it doesn't require any cutting. I would also recommend with the rod dots to just go ahead and pre-cut some rod dots and have them ready to go, so then you can just hand those to customers, so then there's no cutting required with this project. Anyways, so that's it, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to check out bisqueimports.com for a bunch of amazing products.